Wow, Bitcoin looks juicy today. It's like we are seeing recovery this week after the huge drop right down to $60,000. And we see how other altcoins plunged downwards. So many people got wrecked. So many. When you look at the liquidation heat map, you realize that so many people who were at the wrong side got hit by this huge dump, that took place during the weekend. The question now is, what is going to happen this week? Are we going to see recovery, or we're going to see the crypto market keep going down, 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 down? That's what I want us to embark on today's video. And more to that, I want to give you guys my top three most profitable crypto picks that, I mean, those coins that have made me a lot of profit, or I understand how to move around these coins. And I'm going to share with you guys why I'm actually focusing always on these coins, to give me the maximum gains that I want in the market. Remember, if say you are part of my platform, remember I've been losing money in the past so much in cryptocurrency because I didn't know what I was doing, and immediately I got the antidote. I've been recovering all of my losses, and I want to help as many people as possible through education, educating them on how they can go about do the same thing. And that's why you see me come here every now and then, on my live shows, on my VIP group, on my Telegram group. I try to help, these individuals to be able to understand the thought process on how to approach the crypto market. What is like how I'm different about how I'm different from the entire crypto space or from the other YouTubers or those who create content is that I focus more on profit taking. I want you guys to understand that when a coin pump, it's not just about pumping. The coin can pump like that, and if say you don't practice on how to take out profit, then you're gonna find yourself being at the losing side when price get back to where you are. You can see most of the times, like most of these cryptocurrencies are down to where they started pumping. I think that was January or last year. So today let's just embark on all this. And yeah, before we go, those of you who are joining me here for the first time, this is the Betong Crypto. Yeah, I create content to help anyone out there who is interested to grow gradually. I'm not here for those who want to grow quick or not like we want to make money fast. I'm here for those who want to learn the process of building wealth gradually from scratch. So if say you are that person, then make sure you smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share my content with someone else out there. And for those of you who are returning, you are welcome as always. Now, let's dive into the juicy part of today's show. Let's first of all look at this. I want us to look at, the volume profile. I want us to look at the volume profile. This is sorry, the book map. This is the book map, and right now I'm looking at the price of Bitcoin. So no, I'm looking at the price of Quant. Let's go to the price of Bitcoin. So let's see what is going on here with this bad boy. So let me just see where we are right now with price and where we might expect price to go. I'm gonna look at other aspect of the chart of Bitcoin chart, but right now I want to see where the orders are in Bitcoin, so I know where we might expect price, the market makers to move price towards. Now it seems as if we have 795 Bitcoin order here at 61,500, and there are some orders here also at around 60,000 or 59,000. So where price is right now, they can easily bring back price down towards this area 59,500. And if say they manage to bring price back towards this area, we can see more of those altcoins that you are holding plunge downward. We don't know how far Bitcoin will go, but there are some, should I say, red flags that you guys should pay attention of when it comes to the price of Bitcoin, because like even though Bitcoin didn't move that significantly, other altcoins really move significantly, and this is part of what I teach on my platform. I have made you guys to understand over and over and over and over again that Bitcoin is the alpha. If say you ignore Bitcoin, you lose money in cryptocurrency. If say you pay attention to what Bitcoin is doing, you are always gonna be on the winning side. There's nothing as you wanting to or like make money quick, or there's something like you want to make money quick, or you want to cash this palm or do this. Now it's all about you getting involved at the right time when Bitcoin is giving you that signal. So looking at all this, I would say that we are about to make some moves of to the downside or maybe to the upside. Like you can see, we already made some moves. This is the chart of Bitcoin. We already make some moves right down to 62,000, but I haven't seen yet any vector candles. So I think the dump isn't over or the downward trend isn't over. Maybe we're gonna see some like yeah, I think it's not over. You can see there are liquidity. There's so much liquidity here around 60,700 as I mentioned, and I think they can push price back towards this area. And if say I zoom out, you're gonna see that let's see where price is right now. Let's analyze this. So okay, the market opened during the ASAN session, and the ASAN pushed price right up to around 66,000, and UK took it towards I think instead UK price was just consolidating in the UK session, and UK took it right up to around 67,000. Then US session now has brought price back towards the low of the ASAN session or the open of the ASAN session. You see, this was the open, this was the low, during this period. So I think that maybe we can see price go back again towards this $64,000. Um, okay, instead, guys, I think this was the open. The open was around. Sorry, the open was around 65,664, and the low was around 64,000. So because UK break or US break that open and has created this zone here, which is this zone was the zone around there during the weekend, where price is right now. So we should expect Bitcoin to hold where price is, and you can see Bitcoin managed to recover this vector candle here, which is awesome. Now a little bit skeptical because I haven't seen any green vector candle yet to tell me that the makers are trying to reverse price back to the upside. But you can see I can see these four vector candles here around this area. So they might as well go to recover this vector candle around 66,000. And if say they're not able to break above 60, then let's say 67,000, then we are in we are in danger. So let's just see how the couple of hours or couple of minutes gonna be like for Bitcoin. And again, before I go to my top altcoin picks, I want you guys to know this. When you are investing in cryptocurrency, you should understand that there are bigger players who have trillions, billions, multimillionaires who are moving the market. So when you understand how they move the market, I call them whales, or you can call them market makers. You should, when you understand how they move the market, you'll be able to understand how your coin move. If you're buying any coin, you got to understand how that coin moves. If you understand how that coin moves in relation to how Bitcoin moves, trust me, you will be unstoppable in this space. In this space, I'm telling you the truth. Like, forget about you want to buy this meme coin, buy that meme coin. We are here long term. We're not here like now. No, we are here long term. You look at the coins that can make you money. You take some of the profit and buy those meme coins. If say it goes to zero, fine, good and fine. But you have a plan. You are using those meme coins like casino or those low cap coins at casino, and when you say you are good, fine, but you are always gonna be making profit based on the plan or strategy that you are gonna be applying every now and then in the market. You don't leave all of your asset or most of your asset in a low cap coin that is gonna go to maybe zero or plunge down about 30 to 50% when Bitcoin is plunging down. This is like I think some people out there Well, I've been there. It's as if when you are captured, like when you are captured by this project that promise you, or people who have made money, they say, I bought this at this price and it made me this amount of money. You fall prey to that, and you keep thinking that yours is gonna be the same as theirs. Now, like when you are buying any project, compare it with Bitcoin. Try to understand how this project moves. If it moves the same way with Bitcoin, or it moves after what Bitcoin has moved, then you know that when Bitcoin is making this move, you are looking at that coin, and that coin is not make more like it's not make more upside than Bitcoin. So this is something most people won't tell you, but I'm giving you for free because I give everything out there. I put everything out there for those who follow me. You follow me diligently, and if you are part of my VIP, then you will know that everything I put it out there. For those who follow it diligently, are gonna always try to protect themselves. I'm not here to make you money fast. No, I'm here to educate you on how to protect yourself, give you a proper mindset on how to build gradually, take out profit, eliminate the greed out there, and focus on what is important. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the ultimate goal here. I don't care what you hold, whether it's gonna be the next now. Bitcoin, to an extent, Ethereum. These coins are gonna make you so much money if say you understand how they move. It might sound like a joke, but this is reality. Anyways, let me just go to what I got here for you guys as always. It's like I'm lagging, my camera is lagging, but I'm gonna always try to make you guys understand before I dive into the proper. Now let's go into the coins that are my best, my top three. Actually, before I go to the top three, I want to tell you guys why I chose these top three coins, or why they are the best performing coin in my portfolio. One is Bitcoin, second is Ethereum, and third is Quant. I want to explain to you guys right now why these coins are the most profitable. Okay, one thing I've understood in crypto is that for you to be able to make money, you have to master particular project, or master particular coins on and how they move alongside Bitcoin. If you understand that your goal is to make as many Bitcoin as possible by trading other altcoins, then you are always going to be on alert when that altcoin makes you money and you see that Bitcoin is about to reverse. So knowing that this altcoin has made you profit and Bitcoin is about to reverse, the least you can do is sell half of that altcoin and buy Bitcoin, or be in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Now, you buying Bitcoin and Bitcoin dropping down 30%. It's not a problem. Okay? If Bitcoin drops 30%, we know that altcoins are going to drop 1x, 2x. Now, these altcoins are going to be there. There are some of them that are going to go away, but there are some that's going to be there. And these some are the ones that I managed to go and look at their fundamentals. I look at the community. I look at the technology that they are building. I look at how price have been moving previously, like previous price action, and I try to tie it with how Bitcoin, the narrative, like what narrative is this coin? Like, is it in the AI space? Is it in the gaming? So I try to narrow it down. There are coins that I jump on the coin, like I go on crypto bubbles or banter bubbles, and if that coin hasn't yet pumped, and because I've traded that coin in the past, I'll buy it short term. And when it makes me profit, I sell immediately. Get into Bitcoin. So whenever Bitcoin is jumping, like for example, I want to show you guys something here, so you should understand what I'm saying here. Let's go to Quant. I want to show you something, so you understand what I'm actually saying here. Now let's go to the daily time frame for Quant. Right? Let me zoom out this So let me bring in another chart so we can see. Let me bring in Coinbase maybe. Okay. So if I zoom out Quant, you see that Quant came back to this level where like is the bottom of the bear market. Price pump right down towards that area around 84,000, $84 $1,000. I'm used to Bitcoin. Now look at where price is right now, or look at where price went to. Price went to $115. Now look at this vector candle here. Okay, I saw this that okay, if price has dumped to this area, to this zone, and price have break this trend, this the bottom moving average, the least or the next thing price is gonna do is at least come back to retest this area before moving downward to the downside. And when that happened, I bought eight quants. Eight quant. Okay. So now looking at Bitcoin, going to Bitcoin, I realized that Bitcoin didn't actually do anything like the DOM for Bitcoin wasn't actually a DOM. It was just, price, like market is still in structure. And I was like, okay, because Bitcoin hasn't yet, kissed this 50-day moving average, and price is coming closer. I think there's going to be some sort of reaction with Bitcoin because I saw price came right down towards this area here, around 60,000, and 60,000 has been an area where price bounced before. You see this week here, and when price came there, price bounced before, and price has attempted that area about twice or three times, and now price came back there. So I knew that Bitcoin is gonna do some sort of quick reversal, and if Bitcoin is doing some sort of quick reversal, then Quant as well is gonna do some sort of quick reversal to the upside. Now, I also have these vector candles here, right up to $70,000 or 72, yeah, $70,000 for Bitcoin. It means that the market makers they can still attempt to push price because right now we are seeing that there's liquidity here for Bitcoin. So as I'm looking at Bitcoin, I'm also looking at Quant and see what price is doing in between. I know if Bitcoin has to pump from where it is right now, let me just show you guys something. The thought process. If Bitcoin has to pump from here to back to $70,000, that's only 10%. But let's go to Quant. If Quant is gonna pump from where it is right now to where price was before, let's say it has to like after this dip here, if price have to go back to let's say just say 140 or 150, or let's just say if price have to go to 140 here. So let's just calculate the price right now and say okay, from down there, from where it is right now to 140. Let's see. That's 34% or 35%. So if Bitcoin is dumping, I don't care because I know I have my own ATM machine that I'm gonna cash Bitcoin. So when price is dumping, I'm looking for that opportunity, and when price is pumping, I'm cashing out profit. That's my job. That's my job. You know, I'm not gonna go there and start loving and say, "Oh God, I want to hold this." No, I love Quan so much. Quan is my long play. So Quan, if you wanna play the same game with me, then join my VIP group, guys. Don't look at this and say, "Okay, only Quan." No, you can do this with any coin out that you take time to study and see that it moves alongside Bitcoin. Now let's move to the next, that I got here. The next I got here is Ethereum. Now I want to explain to you guys why I love Ethereum so much. There's something about Ethereum that you guys don't understand. Ethereum move with Bitcoin, and when Ethereum is moving, like there are times when Bitcoin is gonna pump like crazy, right? And Ethereum is not pumping. Ethereum is gonna try as hard as possible to catch the pump of Bitcoin, to catch, to try to catch up. Okay, and when Bitcoin is reversing, Ethereum is gonna reverse a little bit, but it won't be that significant as Bitcoin. And immediately after Bitcoin wanna recover, Ethereum is gonna recover more than Bitcoin. So I've taken time to study all this project. And that's why you see me when each time I come here, I tell you guys, put this in Ethereum, put this in BTC. You guys ignore me. I laugh because you guys are like you are you are dumb. You don't you like you're gonna watch your portfolio go up and down. Why are you here? You are here to make money. So if you're here to make money, then make money. Don't be dumb. Don't fall in love with the project as if it's your girlfriend or your husband or your wife. Wait, are you gonna marry a coin? No. The only thing you wanna marry is Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin has proven to be their coin and Ethereum to an extent. Hong Kong recently passed like approved Ethereum and Bitcoin ETF. We are seeing massive adoption worldwide. And you think that if you say you are in Bitcoin, you're gonna lose money. No, 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 no. You're gonna lose. Like, okay, yeah, let's say for example, all you got is crypto. Crypto is a main source of income, right? All right, okay, I might understand why you're losing money. Because crypto is your main source of income. So you wanna just make it quickly to cash out, like But you say you still make crypto your main source of income, but at the same time, you are trying to take advantage of the market to keep increasing your Bitcoin or your portfolio, buying Bitcoin, buying Ethereum, buying Ethereum, and you intertrade. That's gonna be like you trade intertrade exchange. You trade in between. Yeah, that's the right word. Trade in between. You're gonna be surprised to see how much you're gonna make within a month, 2 months, 3 months. And those who follow memes, of course, memes gonna make so many people money. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that memes, but if you follow memes without you having a brain, you're dead. Not only memes, there are so many out there, but that's it. So Ethereum is another coin. Now, let me show you guys something about Ethereum now, so that you see what I'm talking about. So this is a daily time frame for Ethereum. Okay. Now, after the dump, the top of Ethereum, look at where Ethereum is. I mean the top. I mean like the high, the previous high. Ethereum has dumped how many percent? 29%. Now let's go and analyze the dump of Bitcoin ever since that top. Let's see how far Bitcoin has done ever since that top. That's 18%. So you now see if say Bitcoin is gonna recover, mm, let's say for example, it's gonna recover about, let's say for example, from this area here to that area, that's gonna be around 90%. How much you think Ethereum is gonna recover? Okay, let's see. If Ethereum is also going to recover from let's take it from this bottom, from here, from where price dip to the top there, that's 26%. So Bitcoin will recover 26%, it's 18%, Ethereum will recover 26% if that comes to play. So once you have moved money, once I move money from Quant, I take it to Ethereum, or I move money from ApeCoin, I take it to Ethereum, and like I keep doing it like that. So Ethereum is my number 3 pick. Now the next pick, I know most of you are gonna be shocked that this is actually my next pick. It's a meme coin, and this is Baby Dogecoin. Baby Dogecoin has made me so much. Like why has Baby Dogecoin made me so much money? Let me explain to you guys why. Because I know how the coin moves. I've taken time to study this coin, like how it moves. And each time I post on the group, in the group, and people ask me, "Oh, when should I sell with Dogecoin?" I just look at them and laugh, because you are not in my VIP group and you don't follow my analysis. Last time I mentioned to you guys that when you see Baby Dogecoin, I even mark zones that sell and cash out profit. And if say you have missed out on the pump, wait for price to come back and kiss the better moving average. And if price hold, then you know that you are buying it back to take it back to maybe where this alpha trend is. So Baby Dogecoin, I saw Baby Dogecoin around like half, like when price was half of this, like let me see, around 0.00002, and I bought my Bitcoin. I let it go, and I was waiting for price. I didn't push, like I didn't, like want to get in, So all this pump, like if we zoom back, you see Baby Doge pump. I'll be making gains on all this pump, because I know that Baby Doge coin is not gonna do any like drastic move, if say there's no use news in the market, like something about the coin or bond or something to pump the price, I follow the project, I look at, I have different notifications that I want to see, or I'm gonna see to give me that buy, signal. So understanding how baby Dogecoin moves has helped me a lot to make so much profit. And guys, what, like, I might be calling this coin or talking about this coin that I'm showing you guys right now, but this the idea here, guys, is not to tell you go and buy Quant, go and buy baby Dogecoin, or go and buy Ethereum. The idea of this video is to make you to understand that when you understand what you're buying, when you understand how it moves, when you understand the community behind it, the narrative behind it, then you are going to be able to make money. And when you make that money, you're going to put it in Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and wait for the next opportunity. And along the way, you're gonna see other coins to buy that are cheaper, that hasn't yet pumped. I do that. I don't buy only these coins. I buy so many coins. I trade so many coins. But these coins are the ones that when the market is dipping, I'm like, okay, I cannot look at every coin. I'm like, okay, let me just mark time and see what I can do with this coin. And when I see that, okay, now Bitcoin is about to recover. Like, let me show you guys. Let me teach you guys something to know when Bitcoin is about to recover. Now, let's go to the chart of Bitcoin. For you to know when Bitcoin is about to recover after a potential dip, let me go to Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. Let's go to a different. Let's go to OKX. Yeah. So now let's go to the lower time frame, because the higher time frame is gonna show you okay, this, but the lower time frame is gonna give you a proper view of what you should expect. Now, I've talked about the vector candles on my channel multiple times, right? Whenever you see price, let me zoom this a little bit. So I think I should from what I'm seeing here, I think I'm gonna see another dip down here. But I want to look for another. Let me see. Anyway, let me just show you guys this. Whenever you see Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency dumping like this, there's gonna be some sort of chill, like calm in the market, for price to chill a little bit and price to go and attempt different zones that price left. And usually price is gonna go towards moving averages, like the 50-day moving average, or the 200-day moving average, or the 800. You can choose any one that you understand how price move around it. But what I look at here are these vector candles. You can see I look at these vector candles here, and when I see price dip like this, and I see a retracement back to the 50-day moving average, you can see, I know that maybe the next candle, if the next candle is going to form and price is going to hold this next candle, what I'm waiting to see is a green vector candle. Immediately I see a green vector candle, I know that they might push price towards where price started falling. You see, this to recover all of this vector candle, and that was where that was where they push price to recover all of this vector candle. So if say you understand how to apply this knowledge in to any other altcoins out there, you look at it. Let's say, for example, let's bring Quant here. Look at Quant. Quant was dumping, right? But now, what happened with Quant? To the let's go to the 1 hour time frame. You see, look at these vector candles here. They have recovered all of this, all of it. You can see they push price exactly there, and they recover it. They recover everything, and now we are seeing an attempt. I already sold my Quant at $15, $115. Now, what I'm looking at is at this area, $100. per quant. They can push price there. But if say they're not able to push price, if I see them push price above the alpha trend or above the 5-day moving average, then I look at what Bitcoin is doing. If I see green signal, I want to buy Quant again. So I don't want to make this video to be too long, but this is actually what I look at, what I want to see in these coins, these altcoins, or the coin that I'm buying before I get involved full time in it. Full time means I want to buy it and expect return. Of course, does it happen always? Like, do I see green signal always? No, but most at times, I have it right or I get it right. But the moment I don't get it right, I sell and still wait for Bitcoin to give me that signal. Because look, the market will always move like this. And you are capitalizing on that movement, either up or down. If you are selling or buying, you have to understand who you are in the market. With me, I'm good at buying. I'm good at selling. I'm good at buying and taking profit. So I always wait for the market to dump. I don't want to go there and start selling. I'm not good at selling. I wait for the buy signal. That's my strength. And I focus on what I am good at. But when it comes to profit taking, that also I'm good at. And I don't want to confuse you guys so much. I want you guys to go home with this, or to go to bed with this, or to go to work with this. The secret in this game is understand the asset you are buying. That's the secret. Once you understand the asset you are buying, and that asset is down 10%, 5%, 20%, you won't bother so much because you understand the next move or what might happen the next move. I'm saying this with certainty. Of course, no financial advice, because I'm not going to tell you, go do that, go do this. I'm going to educate you on the thought process. So if you want to learn, if you want to get my buy and sell signal, when I say sell, I mean, like, you're confused by like sell, and of course, when you take out profit, you are selling, right? So let me just make it clear: buy and take profit alert. So if say you want to get my buy and take profit alert, and also my alert to stay away from the market, then make sure you become part of my VIP group. It will save you ton of money. Like, I look like, guys. One of the reasons why you see me like like I embark on this VIP stuff is because I want to see people who believe in me, who understand. Because like the amount of money I've helped people who are in my group to make is nothing as compared to what they pay to become members in the first place. It's like peanuts for what you're gonna make. And I decided to make it affordable for everyone, because I believe that if say you are there, it means that you believe in what I'm doing, and I want to do my possible best to work for you. Like it's like I work for you. Yeah, I work for you because I work so hard to see that you guys are profitable. Because when I see that those who are part of my community are profitable, then I'm gonna be so happy always. And everything I like, all what I say on my VIP group, I say on my live stream. You can see this live, I've shown you guys everything. I love live stream because I want you guys to see that I'm real. I don't go and design videos to make you to entertain you, or to like not to waste your time. No, I create videos to help you understand what you need to do to be able to seek better results. I don't want to create 5 minute video, buy this, buy, no, 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 no. I want us to go through the process together. That's why I encourage you guys to always be on my live stream. If I come here and I see 1, 2 people, I'm still happy. I'm still happy. Anyway, guys, I don't want to talk so much. Let's call this a go for today. If see you haven't yet subscribed, subscribe. If see you haven't yet liked, just like this video. If see you haven't yet comment, at least tell me something. Just say hi, hello, or just say you love me. Quite love you too. By the way, don't forget to share. Bye bye. Ciao.